Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Well, got the tractor, I got two tools. One is a pry bar. The other one is my 20-volt hedge clipper. I got a problem that needs to be addressed. Windmill's turning up there. That was just turning, it's not going around. Useless. Anyways, let me show you the mess I gotta try to get cleaned up. Grass, weeds, you name it, it's in there. You know what else is in there? There's brick underneath all that. See that little pile of brick there? It's all in here. I need to get all this cleaned out. The brick, I decided I'm not going to keep. I'm going to get rid of it. So, we're going to use the hedge clipper first so I can see what's in there. Then we'll pull the brick out with the pry bar and put it in the bucket. You know, grasshoppers and crickets in here. Kind of like a sickle bar mower. As I said, it's not just used for hedges. It's used for anything you need to get rid of, including vines. These bricks, I put them down to try to keep from this happening. Absolute waste of time. No money involved in it, just a lot of time. I think I'm going to go a different route, because this never did work. Now what's over here, there's a little area that I had originally dug out, and so I can dig the hole for this contraption I got. So we got most of this dug out of here. I can see the brick. So now, get the brick out of here. What the pry bars for. This was original brick from the homestead. I dug this stuff up various places. Most of it, I believe, was from the original chimney to the barn. I know some of you's like, well, why are you getting rid of it? It doesn't do anything. More of a hindering than helpful. I got some ideas what I can do, and we'll explore that later on. This is all wet in here. But this is going to take me a little while. There's a lot of bricks in here. So we'll be right back and I'll show you what it looks like. These bricks are heavy. I'll have to even all this out. Too much weight on one side. But anyways, let me show you what I got done. It's not perfect, but I put 3 bucket loads of bricks in here. 3. That being the biggest one. It's a lot better. I got a lot of grass and weed killer I got to put in there. We're under another extreme heat wave. That's why I was trying to get this thing done earlier. I'm hot, I'm sticky, and I'm still nursing a wound from putting that windmill up. You gotta watch the front of your machine. I wasn't paying attention and I hit the mobile home and put a tear in the metal. I fixed it. I straightened out the metal the best I could. This thing's got dents all over it. If I ever sell this place, I tell them, must have been a tornado debris. Anyways, that's it. See you next time.